Good Saturday morning, everyone, and welcome to the BCB Cyber series that takes on the tech stocks that can provide the cyber fuel we need to pursue our digital wealth passions. Today, we are talking mega cap tech. As we dig deep for that cyber fuel we all need, we are always working to make sure the best of the best tech companies come to play, those monster companies out there that can form a key portion of our portfolios. For all these mega cap stocks, just like Investopedia, make sure you check out those links below. Our core defining feature here is that the market cap is over $200 billion. As always, we dig deeper still looking for those companies that are pushed by incredible disruptive tech with a phenomenal story, not to mention having those solid base numbers. This week we are taking on Tesla, as it has become an incredible mega cap tech stock this year. As of last weekend, the market cap from Yahoo Finance ranked it at a $10.45 billion company. That is absolutely phenomenal. Before we dive too deep, though, we strongly advocate that we don't act solely on anyone else's opinion, even ours. Make sure we're all thinking for ourselves out there as self-definers and making our own decisions. In the end, the responsibility is on each one of us as individuals, so decide wisely. Again, this week we're talking BCB mega cap analysis and tech stocks. So jumping right into BCB Cyber way, we cover three quick pieces of information so we can get moving on our day. First, we tackle the story to find out who and what the company is. Second, we look at the numbers, both positive and negative. And finally, we discuss our position on the stock. This is TS2B, Tech Stocks to Buy, Mega Cap Edition. This week we're taking on Tesla, the Palo Alto, California energy redefining enigma, cleverly, yet maybe unintentionally, disguised as an automobile company, has come to play. Tesla is no doubt one of the biggest new competitors in the world of automobiles, however, forever redefining the world's understanding of transportation and energy. While not the only electric vehicle manufacturer, it is the only company that has caught the public's attention to such a unique degree and with such style. With little to no marketing budget, Tesla demonstrates that a phenomenal business model and one of the best products on the market can help redefine how we look at the world. Join our deep dive now on Tesla. Jumping right in with that story, Tesla is the newest neighbor to the mega cap block. You would have had to be hiding under a rock over the last few years not to hear about this fantastic company. Tesla, like Alteryx last week, hits all the checklist boxes that we love to see in a disruptive tech company. The following graphics highlight this. Unparalleled leadership, a slate of products primed to redefine how the world produces, stores, and uses energy, and ultimately a company that is primed financially for tremendous growth. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is an enigmatic leader, no doubt. One thing that cannot be overstated, however, is that he is the face of Tesla and he is setting the world on fire by winning over critics. This is a fairly recent development, though. In 2019, he got hit pretty hard and was even stated that he was the reason that their Tesla growth was challenged. But within a few short months, the narrative on Musk had been forever altered. Within those few months coming into late 2019, he flipped the script and was named the most inspirational leader in tech. Talk about a change in story. This incredible leadership of Elon Musk is just the beginning, though, with Tesla. The products and business model are so much more. With a mission statement that seeks to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, this company can't be stopped. The product of Tesla can be currently understood as cars, but they are so much more. They are redefining the global energy space, starting with the EV market. Tesla's tech advantage includes autopilot and self-driving that are unparalleled, vehicle software that updates itself, and an incredible battery and powertrain that push boundaries. Other highlights for the business include an energy business that is jumping around the globe from the United States to Europe to Australia, having a massive impact, and increasing the impact of their solar program to increase cost effectiveness, making it more affordable for folks at home. In addition to these elements, Tesla demonstrated an effect on the world during the pandemic and is positioning itself for so much more to come. During that pandemic, it was the only EV maker to actually have a surge. And with Shanghai, Berlin, and that new Texas factory coming online, there's so much more in development. Jumping to those numbers now, BCB Cyber loves to follow 5 specific metrics: revenue growth, forward price to earnings ratio, return on assets, operating margin, and debt considerations. While Tesla does have a few risk factors, not limited to a high forward PE and debt levels, it does also hit on several other key metrics: that positive return on assets, a positive operating margin, and a solid growing cash flow alongside investment. Debt does, however, appears to be manageable under Tesla's capable leadership. Tesla demonstrates these with the top line revenue growth 68% 2016 to 2017, jumping 82.5% 2017 to 2018, and from 2018 to 2019 jumped another 14.5%, pushing towards that $26 billion revenue mark, and this year looking to move past that. So we're looking at the forward PE now. As always, for a high-flying tech growth stock, we do see that the forward PE is high. We want to make sure we're careful of that. It does, however, look from the summer of 2020, back in June, that is, that the bubble may have already burst here, and that forward PE popped back to 119 from 370. Tesla is a very profitable company now. Its operating margin of 4.74% shows it to be a profitable tech giant, and the return on assets at 2.1% show that Musk is delivering that value, and so we need to note that if he gets the blame, he also gets the credit. For the balance sheet, that is always a risk factor, unfortunately, and one that Tesla has been concerned with over the years. As we see here, total cash is still $8.62 billion, a growing position for them, and total debt is at $15.48 billion. Cash is half the current debt. Something to watch and be concerned about, but it has been improving under the capable leadership at Tesla. The BCB Cyber take now, we flip over to a incredible quick shot analysis where we see a Tesla has a bright future. Its cash assets debt picture is ever improving, and the company has a strong footing in the global EV markets. This is a phenomenal company. We agree with that Simply Wall Street stat that it is an opportunity for growth with a good balance sheet. As of this morning, that is as of last Monday when we first posted that blog post, make sure you check out that down below. Our portfolio had a position of 17.45% in Tesla with a cost basis of $155.42. This is definitely a tech stock worth buying at the right price, and one that BCB Cyber believes to be the right fuel for the fire. As always, think for yourself out there, do your own homework, and cyberize your life with the best in disruptive tech. Check back often. Check out our wealth section. We'll provide that link down below on our website so you can learn more with establishing the baseline for your portfolio. And coming up this morning, Monday, don't forget that we also have a quick shot analysis of Raytheon Technologies coming your way. Have a great weekend.